Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. What is art production and why does it matters? Production is a word with many meaning. It can refer to the making of something or to a final product like a theatrical performance. So, ang theater is kanang bitong magperform ka like kanang sa stage tas kuan kanang ilang ginapakita kung unsay pasabot ana din kung unsa ang ilahang gusto nga iingon. What does it have to do with art? Production is central making art. It also have involved over time and artists respond to it in different ways, some using it as a creative tool while others explore its deeper meaning and impact. So, ang kining diri is about siya sa film gina-deliver pag-ayo kanang example sa lida ilang gi-relate sa mga naagi or kanang niagi na about true reality. Tas the process ay production process, the process of creating an artwork does not necessarily follow a linear progression. Kasli Garing and Casual 2018, but it generally follows three stages: pre-production, production, and post-production. So, ang pre-production is planning, experiment. Ang production is execution or creation. Post-production is exhibition or reaction. Award recognition and renown. Awards are given to artists and artisans based on merit years of practice, their contributions such as providing jobs and their expression of nationalism. Reputation also plays a key role as it reflects how the public views the artist and ensures the integrity of the awarding institutions. So diri is kanang paghatag sa mga awards sa mga artist or artisan. Awarding institution ay when giving awards, two aspects of reputation must be considered: recognition and reputation. So, recognition means being respected by fellow artists and critics, while renown means being with the art world. According to Baker 1982 recognition, ang recognition gipanghatag sa fellow about sa critics and academy award about sa kanang mga winners. National and Gamaba artists, notable works and contributions. NCCE or National Commission for Culture and Art. The Gawad sa Manlilikha ng Bayan, Gamaba or National Living Treasures Award created under Republic Act 7355. Honors traditional Filipino artists who preserve and pass in indigenous art forms. The National Commission for Culture and the program to recognize excellence, protect cultural heritage, and instill pride in Filipino traditions. Qualifications to become a Manlilikha ng Bayan. So, ang diri is kanang about na siya sa mga culture or tradition. Must belong to an indigenous people, tradition, community, and uploads it costume. So diri is belong siya sa indigenous people. Must have consistently produced works of superior quality. Must master tools, materials, and be recognized as a master in the art. Must pass on skills to the community. Additional recognition if unable to teach due to age, sickness, created a significant body of work and shown excellence. Help revitalize the community's artistic tradition. In CCA 2020, the Gamaba Awards covers traditional folk arts such as folk architecture, maritime, transport, weaving, carving, performing arts, literature, ornaments, textile, fiber art, pottery, and other traditional cultural expression. Incentives for awardees. So, ang kining diri is kanang dili ra kay mga trophy atong madawatan pag kanang makadaog ta, naapay kanang cash. kana like for kani 100,000 initial award and a gold medallion and 10,000 monthly step plus 14,000 monthly personal allowance up to 750,000 in medical hospitalization and benefits yearly. Funeral assistance tribute equal to that of national artists and ad hoc panel of experts composed of members from NCCA or OMA NCIP. So, ang meaning aning NCCA is National Commission for Culture and Art. Ang sa OMP is Opening Minds Through Art. NCIP, National Commission on Indigenous People and other cultural government institutions. Ang diri sa kuan ad hoc search committees to conduct documentation and nomination nationwide. Nominations may come from experts, institution, universities, and cultural offices. So, ang diri is mag-nominate ka kung kinsay angay tagaan og award. Ad hoc panel of reviewers NCCA 2020. The ad hoc panel of reviewers made up of scholars, practitioners, and experts in traditional arts evaluates nominees' qualification based on documentation from the search committees. So, maura gihapon sa dito sa ad hoc panel committees kay parehara sila og kanang definition ba kanang murag kung kinsa ray taga ay kanang mag-nominate sila kung kinsa ang tagaan og award. Dagawad sa Manlilikha ng Bayan Committee submits final recommendations to NCCA Board. Gamaba awardees Ginaw Bilog in Figure 2 hails from Mansalay, Mindoro. He's an expert in Ambahan poetry. He made sure to spread it to his community in order to preserve their culture, specifically the Hanunong-Mangyan language. Limited resources did not hinder him for preserving and spreading the culture of his community. He received the award last 1993. So, ang sa figure 2 is mo ni siya nga artist, si Renato is Rastrolo. Ang ginahimo niya is ang poetry. Masino Intaray in figure 3 is a musicians and storyteller who hails from Brooks Point, Palawan. Masino is not only well versed in the instruments and traditions of the Basal, Pulilal, and Baget, but also plays the aruding, mouth harp, and babarak, ring float, and above all is a prolific and preeminent epic chanter and storyteller. He accepted the award last 1993. So, ang kini silang sa figure 2 o figure 3 is parihara sila nakadawat og award atong 1993. That's all, thank you.